How to fix Roblox installation stuck. So I'm going to show you a few methods. So for the first one, we will open up the computer search, and here we will search for run, and we want to get this run. So click on it and it's going to look like this. We want to type out percentage local app data and another percentage sign here, and just click on OK. So this should open up a folder. And right here we can click on any folder and type R. So we find Roblox. Just click on Roblox, then go to versions, then go to version and the newest one that you have right here. You might have more than one. And this is what we want to do. We want to right click on the Roblox player launcher, go to properties. Now here we will go to compatibility and check these boxes. So compatibility mode, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as an administrator. Now check these three boxes here and click on apply and OK. Now we want to repeat the same process for these other two files as well. So compatibility mode, run this program, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as an administrator, apply OK. And for the Roblox player beta, we want to repeat the same process here as well. So compatibility, I've already said this. And click on OK. Now you can try seeing if Roblox is installing properly. If it still isn't, then what we have to do is actually close out of this, open up the computer search engine and search for run again. And we want to type out local app data again, click on OK. And this time we want to find the Roblox folder and we want to delete it. So right click on it and we want to delete it. Now this will delete Roblox completely, and what we have to do is actually go to roblox.com. Wait, I'm gonna show you. So we want to go to this website, roblox.com/download, and we're gonna download the Windows app. Now it's going to look like this, and we want to click on the Roblox player installer. It will also give us some instructions on how we can install the player. We can click on run, and it's basically going to install Roblox for us now, and we're going to test to see if this works actually. So now I've just clicked on the installer, and as you can see, I have Roblox open and I can sign in right here. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.